Hello guys, Akshay here. Welcome back to Science and Social Hub. Today I'm going to teach you an interesting lesson in civics, state government. So let's get started. So, what is state government and why do we need it? Our India follows the parliamentary form of government and it is divided into two parts, central and state. Central government controls the whole country. You may wonder then why the state government is needed to rule the country with central powers. That is because central cannot control all the states and union territories at once. So they need the help of state government. Each states have a legislative assembly, a governor, the council of ministers of the ruling party, and the elected representative known as chief minister. State legislatures. The powers that make law in the state is passed to the legislatures of a particular state. There are two houses, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, also known as upper and lower houses. Most of the Indian states only have the lower house, and the states like Bihar, Karnataka have both houses. Difference between Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Vidhan Sabha, also known as lower house. Vidhan Parishad, also known as upper house. It consists of citizens who are directly elected in the property of adult franchise. They elect people in the basis of teachers, municipality workers, graduates, and others are nominated by the governor. In Vidhan Sabha, there cannot be more than 512 people. The members are elected through elections in Vidhan Sabha. Qualifications needed for a Vidhan Sabha. The person must be an Indian citizen. They should be more than 25 years. They should not hold any official plots of profit. Their name must be in voters list. Vidhan Sabha's qualification. They must be a citizen. They must be 30 plus. They should not hold office of profit. They must have their names in voter list. How the people enter the legislative assembly. The, they get elected by the citizens who are voting in the basis of adult franchise. The representative with higher votes wins the election and becomes the ruling party for 5 years and are declared by the returning officer who is from the election commission. The members elect a citizen as a speaker and another citizen as a deputy speaker. Functions of a speaker. He or she presides the legislature meetings and maintains order. He gives the time for the majority as well as the minority to speak the advantages and disadvantages of the parties. He decides whether a bill is money bill or an ordinary one. He can suspend a particular member of assembly if they misbehave. He is the one who signs the bills before the bill is passed to the governor and legislative council. Ordinary bills and money bills. Bills are ready Bills are read by ministry and explains about it and they are passed to the speaker. He signs it and passes to the governor. Once the governor signs, it becomes a law. Money bill can only be originated from Vidhan Sabha and are introduced by the ministers with governor's order. After the money bill passes to the state council and must be passed again to the legislature before 14 days. If not, both the houses must go to the governor. Governor. For India, we need a president. For state, we need a governor. Our state's governor is Banwarilal Purohit. He has to work on the advice to the Ministry of State. Qualification needed is he must be a citizen not less than 35 years. He is not the member of assemblies or parliament, not holding any office of profit. Powers of a governor. They appoint the chief minister and the ministry. He appoints the chairman, advocate, and the members of public commission. No bill can become a law without their signatures. He nominates people at Vidhan Parishad. President appoints judges after consulting with governors. Chief Minister and his cabinet. He has the power of the Prime Minister. He may ask the ministers to resign at any time. He cannot be removed from the office easily. He is the leader of ruling party as well as the state. Powers of the Chief Minister. He appoints the ministers. He allocates the department and each minister is head of the department. He is the leader of legislative assembly. He is the advisor of the governor. Health. This is the most important department of legislature. Government must see the activities and services such as drug control, eradication of diseases, etc. Our government set a target health for all, aimed at 1983 by medical councils. Some of the best actions taken by the government are they gave free vaccines to children, they allocate more money for the health organizations, They do free medical surgeries and operation in the government hospital for the needed one. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit that bell icon, share our video. Feel free to ask the doubts in comments. Make sure to visit our website, link in description. Thank you, guys. We'll meet in another video.